हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन बताएंगे W.H. ऑर्डन के। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, राइट ए शॉर्ट नोट ऑन W.H. ऑर्डन एज ए प्रोग्रेसिव पोएट। आंसर, W.H. ऑर्डन इज वन ऑफ द मेजर पोएट्स ऑफ द 20th century. He had a deep knowledge of the political ideas of modern time. Auden wrote both plays and poems on different subjects. He was deeply affected by the First World War, the development of industry, and the decline of religion of his age. Therefore, modernity is the chief quality of his poetry. In his poems, he describes the psychological problem of modern man. His style is perfectly artistic and he uses brilliant poetic images in his poems. In this regard, a modern critic, Kenneth Eliot, rightly regards him as one of the greatest modern poets. Question second, write a short note on the symbolism of W.H. Auden. Answer, W.H. Auden is modern in sense that he has used symbolism as a technique in his poetry. Symbolism is an important part of his poetic art. Freud and Marx are the great thinkers who impressed him in the use of symbolism. The Bible is also the source of symbols for him. In his poems, he has symbolized modern culture, different people, and the different powers working in modern man. Question third, write a short note on the theme of the poem The Unknown Citizen, or what is the central idea of the poem The Unknown Citizen, or discuss the unknown citizen as a satire, or write a short note on the realism of the poem The Unknown Citizen. Answer, The Unknown Citizen, composed by W.H. Auden, is a satire on the Nazi of Germany and the Communist of Soviet Union. The entire poem is full of realism. The poet describes a modern man who has lost all the qualities of a human being. The modern man functions mechanically under economic and commercial pressure. He has no ideas of freedom and happiness. The poet wants to present the disgust of the modern man. He wants to suggest that modern man has lost all the human virtue and he has become the part of modern mechanical system. Objective type question. Question, W.H. Auden was born in answer 1907. Question, W.H. Auden died in answer 1973. Question, W.H. Auden immigrated to England in answer 1962. Question, W.H. Auden was answer poet, editor and lecturer. Question, W.H. Auden adopted American citizenship in answer 1938. Question, The Unknown Citizen was written in answer 1939. Question, W.H. Auden was awarded Pulitzer Prize for Poetry in answer 1948. Question, W.H. Auden married Erika Mann in answer 1938. Question, W.H. Auden joined Communist Party of England in answer 1932. Question, W.H. Auden resigned from the Communist Party of England in answer 1939. Critical opinion on W.H. Auden. First, Auden was particularly interested in Lenz theories of the psychological cause of disease. If you refuse to make use of your creative power, you grow a cancer instead. etc. Reference to these theories can be found in many of the early poems and more generally in the orator's Lenz teaching provide a key to most of the ऑब्सक्यूरिटीज इन द जर्नल ऑफ एन एयरमा। ये क्रिस्टोफर ईश्वर वुड के अनुसार है। सेकंड, व्हाट इफ ऑर्डन इज ओवर इंटेलेक्चुअल, हिज इंटेलेक्ट इन इज क्रिटिकल ऑफ इट्स ओन processes and it is directed by a benevolent will. The answer of the intellectual is to establish himself slightly distinguished as God in the center of his own work. The early poem, since you are going to begin today, where the poet suddenly switches from the contemplation of a lover to an evolutionary view of human existence, reveals this danger, and it is enormously to Auden's credit that it was a danger of which he was aware. ये स्टीफन स्पेंडर के अनुसार है। थर्ड, एज एट द टाइम ऑफ इट्स फाइनल फेज, Auden belonged to a group of poets of whose aims were intimately connected with social and political questions. He was learned in psychology and anthropology. His approach was avowedly scientific, that is to say, detailed, inquiring, impartial. He believed that an artist should be more than a bit of a reporting journalist. He was in touch with all the latest ideas and the latest development. ये जॉन बेले के अनुसार है। फोर्थ, Auden has always drawn sentences from a few selected thinkers, though the thinker changed from time to time since the 40s. Two of the most influential have been the Danish existentialist theologian Soren Kierkegaard, Kierkegaard, Kierkegaard 1813 to 1855, and the living American Reinhold Niebuhr. ये रिचर्ड HOGGART हॉगर्ट के अनुसार है। फिफ्थ, I do not wish, however, to criticize Auden for writing adolescent love poetry. A poet must write the poetry he can write, and I do not believe that psychological immaturity prevents a poet writing great poetry. Still less do I wish to criticize him because he is not an egoist in his poem, that he is not egotistic, and that he does not attempt to express an autobiographic personality I consider among his virtue. ये स्टीफन स्पेंडर के अनुसार है। थैंक्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।